Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here is your ADA Cardano trading informant. We will check now ADA. What's going on? Is this now the moment for ADA for a buy-in, or should we wait a little bit? We will check this out now. So here we are with ADA. We will check this here in this video, and here is the technical overview from TradingView. You can see here on the summary on the 1-day time frame, we are neutral, not for a buy, not for a sell, we are neutral. The moving averages are telling us, damn, we should sell ADA, and the oscillators are neutral. On the 4-hour, we have a buy. On the summary, a buy on the moving averages, and the oscillators are neutral. And on the 1-hour, we also have a buy here, a strong buy for the moving averages, oscillators neutral. What is telling us the week? The week is bullish for ADA. We should buy on the moving average and summary. And the monthly forecast is very interesting. Summary buy, oscillators sell, moving averages strong buy. So what should we do now with ADA? We will check this here in this chart here. Here is the TradingView chart. And this is now the moment for ADA, I think, because guys, I will check here something for you. This is the 1-hour time frame. Every candle here is 1 hour, and this is an old drawing here from me, from your Biti. And this line here, this trend line, was a big and long bad resistance for ADA. And now we saw here on 27th of June a nice breakout over this line, down again, a retest of our 0.5 Fibonacci at $1.27, this retest here, and back up to this trend line. And this is very important why I am using these trend lines, and I am not deleting this, because you can see it here. We broke this trend line to the downside completely, to this 0.382 at $1, back up again, a retest of this trend line. It's a resistance, it's a red resistance, yes, and down again. And now we are again on this bad resistance. We are again on this here on $1.40. Here again, the next spike, $1.40, and down again. So if you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see we are now here fighting. We're fighting with this bad resistance line. We are fighting over the 0.5 Fibonacci, $1.27. And we are between these two things. And this is the important stuff now to watch. We need a breakout over this trend line. This would be my next long position if we will break out over this trend line, $1.40, $1.41. This is my next long. The next thing is this 0.618 Fibonacci at $1.55. This is the next target if we have a long position with this point here. So I hope for a nice breakout over this, and you can see for the moment we're going down a little bit. We are building here a lower high. This is not good, but the positive and the good stuff on ADA is, look at this, we are building higher lows, and that's very nice. This was the lowest low, here a higher one, here a higher one, and now the next a higher one. As long as we are building higher lows, we are in a bullish nice uptrend here for ADA. On the downside, you can see the MACD. Let's zoom in a little bit on the 1 hour, and you can see the MACD for the moment is bearish. The blue line is under the brown line, but you can see maybe we'll see a cross in the next hours here, and this is also a nice bullish sign for ADA for a nice move to the upside. So is it now the moment to buy in for ADA? This is the big question. And guys, I told you we need to watch the bigger time frame here. We need to watch this maybe happening shoulder, head, shoulder. I will remove all stuff here, so it's a more clear view here for ADA. And let's zoom out a little bit so we can see it better here. Guys, in my opinion, we are forming here a shoulder, head, shoulder. It's possible to see here this shoulder, this big head, and this shoulder, and this is for me one of the biggest things now we have to watch for ADA. We have a nice trend line. This is this trend line here. And if we will say a breakout or a confirmed breakdown of this trend, and here it was really, really hard for ADA. We saw a breakdown on the 1 hour. We saw a confirmed breakdown here. This was really hard, but with a lot of volume back up over this nice support. Yes, the support is always green, BT. So here we are. Guys, this is the biggest thing to watch, shoulder, head, shoulder, and the big support line on the downside here on the price about $1.16. This is really important. What is the next stuff we can watch? Yes, we are here, if we are drawing here parallel channel from the highest point here over this point here and this point here, in a down channel, but we broke it, as I told you here, and we are going sideways now. So lower lows, higher lows, this is very nice, but we need to make a leg to the upside because we are in a big resistance. We can also make here a resistance line because you can see this stuff here. And guys, look at this. If we are drawing here, this one here, you can see it here. We spiked here, here again, we spiked here, here again, we spiked here. So much spikes on this area now. This area is a big resistance for the moment, and if we can fight over this resistance, a big support. This is the one of the important things now for ADA, for me, in my opinion. We are going sideways since weeks with ADA, and we need now a positive upgoing ADA. I think this is maybe a bottom here, one, twice, third, fourth, a fourth bottom, not a triple bottom, a fourth bottom, and maybe this is the time now for ADA to move on to the upside. We need to watch this stuff. Let's check the indicators. Let's check the RSI. What is telling us the relative strength index? And you can see it on the 1 hour. We are on the middle point, on the middle line. This is not the baddest thing. We are on 50 points, not overbought, not oversold. And we can make a line like this here, and we can make another line, but it's not so important, guys. We're on the 1 hour time frame. Forget the RSI here on the moment. Everything is okay. Everything is clear. The next thing I will check is the MACD. And yes, the MACD is going sideways for the moment. Yes, I told you MACD is not so important. Let's go out of this. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Let's check here the 4 hour chart. MACD, here it is for the moment bearish. We can see the blue line is under the brown line. Okay, we are bearish. And also you can see it here, we are going sideways. Okay, for sure. And what is here going on with the ribbon band? This is the important stuff I would like to show you. Ribbon band, I forgot. Ribbon band on the 4 hour. We have a long position here. We had here a long red ribbon band here, and now we have a long position with a green ribbon band. The ribbon band is acting as a support, but we are fighting with this. For the moment, we are over the ribbon band, but we are perfectly in this area. We are perfectly fighting with this support, resistance, what else, with this area. Let's check the ribbon band on the 1 hour also. I forgot here. Very quick, here's the ribbon band, and that's not so nice. We saw here a change from the green one to a red one, a short here, but now we're fighting back the ribbon band and it's going sideways. It's not easy to trade ADA for the moment. It's going up and down and sideways. So I'm waiting a little bit. I'm waiting a little bit for a breakout. I'm waiting a little bit for a breakout to the upside, and I hope this was the bottom here on the deepest side, $1. And now I hope for a nice leg to the upside. Guys, this was the quick update for ADA Cardano. One thing I would like to check is the 4 hour chart before we end this video. Let's remove ribbon band. Let's remove MACD. Let's remove all drawings, and let's check this stuff here, because it's really interesting. Is this now the ABC correction from the highest point A, B, and Z? Yes, it's really possible, guys. It's really possible that we saw here also a really nice correction, an ABC correction. For the most time, we should see a C correction more to the downside. So it's really possible to see a little down going ADA, yes, because the C is most times deeper here as the A1. And maybe we see here a downgoing price for ADA. Yes, that's possible with the ABC correction. But we need to stay over this line. So guys, okay, we have to wait. We have to wait what's going on with ADA. ADA needs to stay over this trend line. Maybe this was the deepest point. Maybe we're going up now. Maybe we are watching here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgoing wave. Now it's possible. It's really possible. We have to watch it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. This was a quick update for ADA Cardano. And guys, I wish you make millions with your trade. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short from here. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye-bye.
System activated.